Out in the ocean, what do we see? So many animals swimming with glee. Let's name them all one by one. Come along, it's so much fun. Jellyfish, starfish, dolphin and whale, seahorse, turtle and a shark with a tail, clownfish, octopus, crab so small. That's 10, can you name them all? Let's keep swimming through the sea. More animals, come count with me. In the deep or near the shore, let's find 10 more. Lobster, stingray, seal and squid, angelfish, pufferfish and oysterhead, Monterey, swordfish, coral in the reef. That's 20, can you believe? The ocean's big with so much to see. More creatures swimming so happily. Let's name 10 more, let's dive right in. Count them up with a big wide grin. Sea lion, barracuda, penguin and eel, jellyfish, mussels and an electric eel, clam, grouper and a big sea bass. That's 30, we're naming them fast. In the ocean blue, animals we'll find, swimming around all different kinds. We've named a lot, but we're not done. Let's name 10 more. Isn't this fun? A seahorse twirls, a squid swims by. Here are more creatures under the sky. Can you count 10 more with me? Let's explore the deep blue sea. Hermit crab, jellyfish, rays galore, blue whale, shrimp, we'll find some more. Lionfish, sea cucumber, stingrays too. That's 40, we're almost through. We've named so many, but there's still more. Let's explore the ocean floor. These last 10 will complete the list. Come and join, they can't be missed. Tuna, marlin, starfish and cod, seahorse, anemone, sea slug, that's odd, sea sponge, sea dragon, manta ray. That's 50, hip hip hooray. 50 sea creatures, oh what fun, learning the names of everyone. Swim through the ocean, big and blue. There's so much more to learn with you.
ABC Kids